So, hello learners, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So, today I am here with another topic, which is we are running a 30-day English speaking challenge. So, you can find our playlist of 30-day English speaking challenge, and today is our day 5. So today I am going to talk some techniques, and today we are going to focus on grammar, because we all know that if we are going to speak English, there is required a basic grammar, not in advance, but you should know the basic grammar. So what do you understand by basic grammar? Basic grammar means you should know about the tenses, every tenses, how many tenses are there, and what is the structure to build sentences. So you should know the tenses, and you should know some phrasal verbs, some idioms, and about parts of speech. So all these things are very important to speak English and to start speaking English to with confidently. So these are the pillars of English speaking. So we should know all these things about parts of speech, about tenses, idioms, and phrasal verbs. And we don't have to go deeper in grammar, like active wise, passive wise. Yes, overall we know how it works, how we can make the from passive to active, from active to passive. But we should follow on the basic principles and basic rules and basic grammar. So in this video I don't have a white board, so I can give some examples so you will understand, but I have mentioned some points there in my diary, so I am going to share with you all. So as we all know that there are three tenses. First is past, present, and future. Present, past, and future, you can also say. Present, it means we are in present. I am sitting in front of you all. This is a present. This month, this year, this day, on this time. This is a present tense. And past, it means whatever the things which has been past. Like yesterday. Yesterday I was sitting there and I was recording a video. So that was yesterday. Last month, last year. So this is the past. And future, it means tomorrow, next month, next year. I will go tomorrow to the airport. So in future. So present, past, and future, there are three tenses. Three tense, and in every tense there are some structures of the sentence, like present. In present, simple present, continuous, and perfect continuous. There are four sentences in every tense, in every time. Like in present, 4, in past, 4, in future, 4. So there are total 12 tenses. What we have to know everything about it. So we are going to take some examples how we can understand all these tenses from one word, like do. I do. It means I do, मैं करता हूँ. So there is a simple present. We can take example I do, मैं करता हूँ, simple present. Simple continuous, I am doing. And simple perfect and present perfect, it means I have done. And present perfect continuous, I have been doing. So this is the way of doing and completing the sentence. And if I will go in past, so I will say I did, मैंने किया. I was doing, मैं करता था. I have done, perfect, and perfect continuous, I had been doing. There we mention have, in past had, and in future I will do, मैं करूँगा, and continuous I will be doing, and perfect I will have done, and perfect continuous future I will have been doing. So this is a way of completing the sentence. There are 12 sentences which we have to do, and we can also categorize the all sentences or tenses in two things. There is no any grammar or anything. You can also say time and situation. We can categorize it from time and situation. There is only two things. If I am sitting in front of you all and I am speaking, it means I am in this is a moment. That time, it is present. This is the present. We are in present. So this is a time. And situation. Situation means in which situation I am. It means I am in continuous situation. I am addressing with you all. Like I am recording video. I am speaking in front of you all. So it is present continuous tense. So we have to identify in any sentence. There is only two things. Time and situation. We have to just understand the time. कल मैं बाजार गया था. Past indefinite. कल मैं बाजार गया था. So we can identify only two things. Present, it means the time, and second is situation. So this is the basic thing which we have to learn to speak English. So this was the day 5, and you can also go on. If I know you didn't get the lots of knowledge from about the tenses, so this is the overview, because I am not going to make you understand on my board. So you have the overview about the tenses present, past, future, and in every tense there are 4 sentences, and our total is 12 sentences. So what we have to do, we have to just go on book or Google or YouTube. You have to watch a full video and you have to understand everything. Then you are going to the next level. So this was the thing, and so keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So keep watching and be fluent and be connected with me, and you can visit the playlist. This is our day 5, and we are going to continue continuously making videos of 30 days. So just keep learning and enjoy. So thank you for today. We will meet in next video.